The goal of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside of the frame, but the frame isn't that simple. As you can see, there are restrictions. There are parts attached to the walls of the box, and when you try to fit the parts inside, you will see that they interfere with the restrictions, and you can put two parts inside, maybe 2 2/3 of a part, but then there is one piece left and you have to fit them all so that no parts will be sticking out from the box. This is the Cubi 12 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Frederick Boucher and made by Pelican. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. If you like the Cubi 12 puzzle and you want to buy and try to solve it by yourself, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first, you put one of the parts on the bottom. It has to be like that on the bottom. But to do that, you have to fit it inside like that and then rotate it 180 degrees like that. Then you grab this part and you put it inside like that. And then you shift the bottom piece all the way to the right like that. Then you grab one more piece, put it inside like that, down and shift it one step here. And then you put the last piece from the top like that. And as you can see, no parts are sticking out. All the puzzles are inside of the frame. If you like the Cubi 12 puzzle and you want to try other puzzles from the Cubi series or just other great puzzles made by Pelican, go to puzzlemaster.ca.